Hey guys, it's me, Sonic the Swan, and today Let's Play. Anyway, turning on this, and I'm gonna complete this game with Adventure Sonic. The tale begins. 3D model! Wait, what the heck is this? Welcome to Soliana level pageant. In the action of stage 3. What? The action stages will have the spoilers for the atmosphere. Oh! So cutscenes? Cutscenes. It says Knuckles' birthday. Hey, the call's here! The call! And she's putting into the SRDQ style! That's so cool! Nice! Oh, hey, there's Chaos! I almost fell. Hi, Chaos. He's holding a drink. That's so cool. What the heck? Really? What did she say? Oh, I can't do it again. Anyway, oh, the cat! You're a detective, you live on yourself. Okay, let's just... Bappity burp, 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 burp. What the fuck?
It was a present just for you!
Oh no, Eggman doing it. Time to get on his head. Wait, what the frick? Wait, what thing? What? Yeah! He tricked us. Oh no, the master almost gone. We gotta go get it. Quick, we gotta get on the plane. Really wants me to do it. I don't know how I'm gonna go over there. Fine, time. Get it. I remember the other time when I played this. Good time. Even though I kind of skipped the whole entire thing, I just went to the end. But this time, I'm doing videos daily. So you don't have to wait a year or two for me to make a video. So you don't have to wait for me anymore. Yeah. Ouch. Shit. Oh god. There's only one. Yes! Yes! Ready? I have editing. Oh god, what the hell? What the heck was that? What the frick was that? What the frick was that face? That was an ugly face. That was a freaking ugly face. I need to edit the noise out of the background. The noise from the background. So just fix the microphone in. Like a proper YouTuber. I would just be lazy and just leave it. But nah. Gotta jump. Just gotta jump. Lag! Freaking lag! 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 Holy shit, get half of the level. Yes. Yes. I broke the windows! Bam. Ring. I did. Oh. That was my dad.
You got him, boss. Didn't they go for that tornado point up there? We gotta shoot it down before it gets back. What are you doing, you stupid?
I survived. Oh god, I'm underwater. And there's lag. Underwater and lag. That's the worst case scenario. Oh, is that a bubble shield? No, I want to get the bubble shield. Damn it. Goddamn lag. It's the goddamn lag. The gosh damn lag. Now I won't drown. Because it's the goddamn lag. Goddamn lag. It's freaking fat. I'm gonna drown. Finally. Oh god. This is some good music. Good music. Good music. Good music.
Good thing I saw you fall. I'll drop you off at the next stop. Relax for a moment. We'll soon approach Soul's Station.
Oh, that's how you pronounce it. Okay, I'm done.
Yes!
I woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Good morning, passengers.
Now I see.
Wonderful weather of Soul's Station. It's 10 in the morning weather for the entire week.
Oh, 10 in the morning? Okay, I'm gonna go.
Science convention going on.
Food for Lou. Oh.
I wish you
Wait,
a
what?
wonderful time, and I hope to see you next trip.
Screw you, Eggman. Just screw you. Lag. The frickin' lag. I ran into a wall. I'm running into more walls. I keep on running into a wall, and I don't like this game.
Criticized the decision to choose Eggman Enterprises to do the catering for the science fair this afternoon. Eggman himself doesn't seem concerned, insisting that critics will come around after sampling their famous soda.
Soda? Are they selling Pepsi? I want some Pepsi. I like some Pepsi. I'll drink some Pepsi. Give me the Pepsi. Stuff. I'm stuck. Okay. I hit my